Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your favorite girl Sylvia, and today I'm coming your way with damage control products. I am saying damage control because this is very good for damaged hair. If your hair is damaged and you are thinking of cutting it, you should use this first. If it doesn't work, then you can go ahead and cut it. And you can also see how fast and beautiful my hair has grown. If you have never seen my hair before, how it was before I started this whole procedure, this whole herbs or spices for hair growth product, then you should check my videos and see how my hair was few months back and how my hair is looking right now. Then you will realize that I'm not just making noise, but I'm actually teaching you something good, something beneficial. So today we are going to be using flaxseed. I posted a shot of this video and somebody was like, oh, I've used this and I had white residue in my hair. But I am going to be using a different method. This method, if you use it, you're not going to get that white residue as she said in your hair. So don't go anywhere, watch to the end and let me show you how to do it without getting any white residue in your hair. But before we learn how to do that, you need to watch how beautiful my hair has grown. So you start doing same, you start watching my videos and applying them one after the other. Apply all of them, do the ones you can do, get your hands on the herbs or the spices you can get, and do a simple hair rinse or a mask for your hair and watch your hair grow at a rocket speed. I'm not just making noise, so check my other videos and you will know that I'm not just making noise. Flaxseed is very good for your hair. It provides your hair with nourishment and help your hair to grow faster and longer. I know a lot of you are here on YouTube looking for products that will help your hair grow overnight. So if you are looking for those overnight hair growth products, then flaxseed should be number one because it's very good. I am not going to lie to you. It has omega-3 fatty acid which promote the health of your scalp and also promote healthy hair growth. Before we learn this amazing hair growth or the damage control hair product I'm talking about, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any video from me, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section so we can welcome you properly and interact with you. And if you're already a G, it's your baby girl Sylvia, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment down in the comment section. Tell us about this flaxseed if you've used it before, and if this is your first time. I'm not going to say this is your first time you're hearing about it because it's here on YouTube. So guys, let's get started. All you need is to boil your water first. It doesn't matter if you boil it on the stove or you boil it in the kettle. When your water is boiling, add your cinnamon extract. So if you don't know what cinnamon extract is, I have a video on it. I will leave the link in the description box or as a card on this video so you can just watch how I extracted the cinnamon extract. Then from there you add your flaxseed. Remember the water is boiling already. Then you just add your flaxseed and continue to boil it. Boil your flaxseed until it becomes thick. So in this method, the cinnamon extract is very important. So this is going to prevent your flaxseed or your gel to be looking whitish. And when it's not looking whitish, you not have any white product in your hair. I hope I'm making sense here. If it is white, when you do it all white, you're going to have white residue in your hair. But then if you add the cinnamon extract, it's going to change the color and also eliminate the the white residue that you normally found in your hair after doing it. So this is what I'm talking about, thick. Allow it to boil till it becomes thick. And one thing you're going to be doing here, to all the videos you watch on YouTube, you realize that they allow the flaxseed or the water or the gel to cool down before they sieve it. But in this video, we are not going to be doing that. We are not going to allow the gel to cool down before you sieve it. If you do that, you're going to struggle a lot. You're going to struggle to get the gel out of your sieve because when it gets cold, it becomes thicker, but when it's hot, you'll be able to sieve it without any struggle. So our flaccid is ready, the gel is ready, and you can see it's not as thick as that because when it gets cold it's going to be more thicker. So we sieve it when it's hot, everything hot. And if you have low porosity hair, please don't allow it to cool down completely before you use it on your hair, because your hair is not going to appreciate it or absorb it. So use it when it's still warm, so you'll be able to get the nourishment out of it. Remember to sieve when it's still hot, so you don't have to be pressing it up and down. Now that we are done with it, guys, this is all I have for you today. This is the finished product. This is all I have for you today, and so let's see you guys in my next video with another exciting video, my dear. Bye.